Hello, all you coin aficionados out there, and welcome again to the DC Coin World International Coin Channel. Today we have two coins from you from the Netherlands, specifically the Netherland Antilles, a small island chain which is in the Atlantic Ocean, kind of borders on the Caribbean Sea between North America and South America. And we have a 1976 25-cent coin and a 1994 25-cent coin. And you can see right up front that they're quite different. This is the 1976 25-cent coin. You can see that it has a crown, and it has the coat of arms of the Netherland Antilles, which is 6 stars representing islands. We have the normal kind of Netherlands symbols here, the rooster and the caduceus here. And we have a banner across the bottom with the motto of the Netherland Antilles. And let's see if we can read that. If we could read in Dutch, it would say United by Freedom. United by Freedom in Dutch. And if we look below that, we see that there's the date 1976. We tip it up and we get a reeded edge, and we see that's a 25-cent coin. Again, we see the 6-star pattern surrounding the 25 cents on the top and left and right side. The stylized 25 with that long arm coming down from the 5 says cent. And then down below, we see what might be orange leaves. On the 25 cent from 1994, we say it says Netherlands Antillen, again, Netherlands Antilles. We see the orange tree or branch here. Again, down here, though, we don't see a rooster. We see a bow, like a bow from a bow and arrow, and then we see the caduceus. So they've changed the symbol for this 1994, and they've changed most everything up. They have this inner circle with the orange in it, and remember the front of the other one had the coat of arms. And then when we flip it over, we'll see a complete change. We have the Netherland Antilles, but no longer with Queen Juliana or Queen Beatrix on it. So this is, it has a beaded inner circle, and then it has an inner circle, has a shell, the top of the shell facing upward at the top, the bottom of the shell facing downward at the bottom, and a shell on each side. The shell on the left side has the numbers 19 in it. The shell on the right side, 94, so that's a 1994 coin. In the center, we see it says 25. Instead of saying cents, it says 25C. We have this kind of ocean or sea theme going around the old side. You can see these waves cresting as we go around the outside. And then this bead through here. It almost looks like pearls that came from an oyster shell, doesn't it? So we have the 1994 25-cent coin from the Netherland Antilles and the 1976 25-cent coin from the Netherland Antilles. We tip this one up on its edge, and you can see that it also is a reeded edge. So when we put these two together, we look at them, they are very similar, they are, but this is a nickel coin, the 1976, and the 1994 is a nickel bonded steel. They call it nickel bonded steel, and it's a bit shinier, and it allows them to put a lot more details in it. The nickel from 1976 is a 3.5 gram, 20 millimeters in diameter and 1.55 millimeters thick coin, and 1 million of them were made. The quarter or 25-cent piece from 1994 is a bonded steel, 3.5 grams in weight, 21 millimeters in diameter and 1.65 millimeters thick, and 997,000 of these were made. So essentially 1 million of each of these were made. And this, they essentially went to a very beautiful coin, and this coin they went to in 1989, but what it doesn't have, what all coins before that had on them, was a picture of the queen, either Beatrix by this date or soon, and then Juliana by this with the 76 date. Okay, That's all we have today for you from the DC Coin World International Coin channel.